Welcome fellow car lovers. With SUV being more and more popular, and third-row SUV being sought after in the car market, there is one that sits on top of all the others. So let's see if the 2024 Kia Telluride is better than the 2025 Honda Pilot and keep its throne. Let's go mess around and find out. Kia says they've made some minor exterior tweaks on the Telluride for 2024, but you'd be hard-pressed to clock them. All models now come with amber-colored daytime running lights, and X-Line and X-Pro models get glossy black exterior trim in place of last year's dark metallic highlights. Sitting atop the lineup for 2025, the new Black Edition trim suits up with gloss black 20-inch wheels, Black Edition badges, and other blacked-out exterior trim elements. The cabin gets a tuxedoed look as well, including embossed leather front seats and door mats featuring the Black Edition logo. The Telluride gets only one engine option. It's a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 that outputs 291 horsepower and has a towing capacity of 5,500 pounds. Its combined MPG rating is 20 for its standard front-wheel drive and 22 for all-wheel drive. MSRP starts at $36,190 to $53,385. The 2025 Honda Pilot is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 that outputs 285 horsepower and is available for front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configuration. Maximum towing capacity is 5,000 pounds, while combined MPG rating for this engine is between 21 to 22 miles per gallon depending on the driveline. Starting price of the car starts at $39,900 to $54,280. The ever-so-popular Telluride has many pros. For one, it comes with more standard features than the Honda Pilot, like heated front seats, remote start and blind spot monitor, just to name a few. Unlike the Pilot, the Telluride is also available with digital key to unlock the car through your phone as well as a camera-based rear-view mirror that are both unavailable on the Pilot. However, the Telluride is not perfect. Unlike the Pilot, the X-Pro outdoorsy trim of the Telluride is not as equipped as the Trailsport, as it doesn't come with skid plates or upgraded suspension. Although both vehicles comes with a V6, the bigger engine on the Telluride makes it waste more fuel. Lastly, it overall has less headroom than the Honda Pilot. The 2025 Honda Pilot also comes with many great aspects, such as more cargo volume behind the second-row seats, standard walkaway auto-lock and multi-angle rear-view camera that are both not available for the Telluride. There's also an available Trail Watch feature that enables the driver to see the front of the car through a camera on the grille. Like the Telluride, the Pilot is not perfect. Sadly, the Pilot comes standard with cloth seats while the Telluride comes standard with synthetic leather. It also only comes maximum with a 9-inch infotainment while the Telluride comes standard with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Lastly, the Pilot has 20 less cubic feet of passenger volume than the Telluride. In summary, the 2024 Kia Telluride has more passenger volume and is overall cheaper than the Pilot. It even has more standard features like remote start, blind spot warning and heated front seats, and available ones that are not available on the Honda Pilot. However, its engine is thirstier. On the other hand, the 2025 Honda Pilot doesn't come with as many standard features and even comes with cloth seats and a smaller infotainment. However, it comes with a couple of standard features which are not available in the Telluride. Don't forget, the Trailsport trim also make it more capable off-road. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Kia Telluride. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications, and subscribe.